Hello, Chris Holland, outdoor educator here. I've got an autumn song for you. This is one that I use when working with groups of kids or adults to help connect with the season, and it's a call and response. It goes like this: when autumn comes, leaves of all colours falling to the ground. When autumn comes, acorns and berries and conkers and nuts. When autumn comes, mushrooms are poking up everywhere. When autumn comes, apples are falling to the ground with a thump. When autumn comes. So that's the refrain, when autumn comes, and ask people to go have a wander about, make up some lines for the song or a few words, and then bring it all together in a round so that everybody can chant that when autumn comes, and everybody who feels confident enough can add their little bit. Thanks for watching.